Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Claudia and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this look that I'm wearing right now using some new products from BH Cosmetics, Anastasia, Tarte, and also Too Faced. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching and we'll get right into the video. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I'm just going to prime my lids using this Rimmel London Match Perfection Concealer in Fair Light. And I'm going to blend it using this e.l.f. concealer brush. For my eyes, I'm using this BH Cosmetics Gilded Palette. It's very neutral and warm. You get 15 colors in this eyeshadow palette, and I believe it's like around like $10 on BH Cosmetics. So fingers crossed it works because that's amazing. So first I'm going to take this bone kind of color on my V19 brush from BH Cosmetics. I've swatched the palette but I haven't actually like tried it. So I'm just going to take that to set the concealer. Now I'm going to take this orangey shade on the same brush. There's a little bit of fallout, but I honestly don't really care as long as the eyeshadows work. That's all that I care about. The pigmentation is like, it's pretty good. I'm going to take this brown shade right here and focus it on the outer part of the crease. I'm going to take it on a different brush. I'm going to use this brush from BH. Back in with the V19 and blending. They blend into each other really nicely. Take this V15 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this like yellowy shade and I'm going to put it on the inner part of my eye. Back with the V19. So now taking the V18 brush, I'm going to take this gold. I'm going to see how it performs without any water or Fix Plus. Yeah. A lot of shimmery shades though I find don't really, I don't know, like this is just not my finger maybe. Showing up a lot more with my finger. Oh yeah, there it is. Now I'm going to try and wet it to see what happens. So I'm just going to take some water and spritz it. Yeah. She's pigmented when she's sprayed. So now I just want to deepen up the outer corner a little bit. And I'm going to take this dark brown on my V15 and put that close to the lash line and just smoke it out a little bit. Just taking my V19 again, blend out any harsh edges. So I went ahead and finished my other eye off camera, and I also added some liner with my favorite liner, Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. So now I'm going to put mascara, and dun, 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 dun. I got this Sex on the Peach kit. I'm going to open it up. I literally have not seen what the inside of it looks like. So all the products come like that. I've never actually had the full size one. I've always had like the little mini one. And I loved it, but so it's not really a first impression, but this packaging is like nice. one looks like that for those of you who haven't seen it. I'm just gonna do a quick coat to my lashes because obviously I'm putting fake eyelashes. I should do that. Cooking. This is why I do my eyes first. So this mascara is bomb. So that's it for my eyes for now. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys out and do my face. So in the Sex on the Peach kit, it also comes with a primer, a setting spray, and Peach Perfect powder. I'm not sure if this is a full-size one, but you get 35 grams of product. So you get like a pretty decent amount of product. And my Kat Von D setting powder is 19 grams, and I've had this stuff forever, so I really hope I like this stuff because that's a lot of product. The product, you get 2 full-size products and then 2 mini trial sizes. I like that. I'm going to take the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Take 2 little pumps. Let's see how this stuff works. So the consistency is kind of weird, almost like jelly, and it is peach in color. Let's see. Oh, it actually feels really nice and moisturizing. I do feel like the cooling effect, but let's see. So it's a little bit like tacky, which I like. Foundation to try, so I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 203. Take it on my damp beauty blender. Now for the main event, Shape Tape. Guys, we don't get it in Canada, so it's like, it's a big deal that I finally got it. I ordered it on Tarte.com because they were having 25% off. And look how cute it is. I got the shade Light Sand, so I'm literally praying it's my shade. I haven't touched it because I really wanted to do it on camera. So I'm really praying it's my color. So I haven't even opened it. Like, this is how new. Oh god, guys. I don't want to use too much because a lot of people say like a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Oh yeah, that's my shade. We're good. Hopefully that's not too much. So let's blend it out and see how she goes. Far so good. Curious to see if it will cover up my under eye circles because everyone says it's such a full coverage concealer, so really excited. But I know what they mean when they say a little bit goes a long way. It goes a long way. And just look how bright that under eye is. So it did its job. Covered my under eye circles, my secrets. Definitely worth it, and it was on sale, so like my skin looks really like flawless right now, which I do really like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder, and let's see what happens. It comes like with like a snap lid, which I really like because otherwise powder goes everywhere. Definitely smells like peaches. So I just put some in the lid. I'm actually like in shock because this concealer didn't crease at all. And usually by now my concealer is everywhere. So let's see how this powder works. I just got a little bit in my mouth and it tastes like peaches. Oh my god, guys, it's like sweet. Like I can taste it in my mouth and like it's sweet. Like it's so weird. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, dip into it a little bit, and just take it. Oh my god, it's like really sweet that it keeps getting in my mouth. Unfortunately, I don't have a bronzer to try either, so I'm going to take my tried and true Hoola on a big powder brush. I apologize if you can hear outside. They're doing some construction. So I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics brush from the Sculpt and Blend 2 brush set. And taking the same thing, Hoola. And I'm going to sculpt out my nose a little bit, get a little bit snatched. I'm like so impressed that my under eyes have not creased. Like I'm a little bit shook. So this is not a new blush, but it's a blush that I have not used in a very long time. Summer by NYX. Hopefully if I wear it, this Canadian weather will start turning to summer. Taking a big fluffy brush. Tapping it in there because this stuff is pigmented, I remember. Just like a little flush. Bring some life to me. So my skin is looking great, if I do say so myself. It's looking very matte though, so we'll get to the highlights soon, very soon. Just gonna quickly smoke out the bottom lash line using the Gilded palette again. I'm gonna go back in with the orangey shade and this light brown. Going back in with the Better Than Sex mascara. Recommend this mascara 10 out of 10. After my waterline, I'm going to take this Benefit Highbrow. It's just supposed to be like for highlighting under your eyebrow, but I like to put it in my lower lash line because it's like a nice, it's not like a white, but it's like an off pink. Take my beauty blender, pull my eye down a little bit. So now I'm going to take the mattifying peach mist, and it says shake me baby, so I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to just spray my face. It's kind of like not like that even of a mist, so it kind of like leaves a little bit of drop. I don't know. My opinion on this would be kind of biased because I have very dry skin. So like I already am matte. Now for the moment of truth. The moment you've all been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting for it, for sure. I have not even gone into Sephora and swatched this, nothing. I've only seen it on Instagram and YouTube. And you guys. The Anastasia. Okay, I don't know if it's AM Resi or AM Resi. I'm not too sure how to say it, to be honest, but girl, you got a beautiful product. Guys, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the packaging is, it's just beautiful. My goodness, guys, wow. Just like, that's stunning. Those of you who know me know that I'm a highlighter freak. Taking my fan brush. We're gonna go in. I feel like I'm not picking up any product. Guys, am I doing this wrong? I'm gonna take the brush, this brush from BH Cosmetics, and try with this one. Guys, I'm not wowed. Like, I thought I was gonna be like shook. On Instagram, everybody's like blinding. Like they're all blinding me, but why not me? I'm gonna try and take some Fix Plus. Spray my face with that and then we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna try again. I'm really going in, guys. Maybe there's like a top layer or something. Okay, you know what, guys? It's actually pretty. Okay, on camera, like, it looks really nice. Okay guys, never mind. I totally lied. This is so nice. The angle I was at, all the light from like outside was like blocked, I guess. But when I just like leaned back and got the like sunlight to hit me, like it's really pretty. That's pretty. I'm gonna take this small little brush from BH Cosmetics and take it to highlight my inner corners. All of them I love. Like, I did not like any of them. I take my Boldly Bare lip pencil from MAC. And now taking Velvet Teddy from MAC. Top of that, I'm going to pop some Fenty lip gloss. I'm just going to put on some eyelashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just went ahead and popped on my favorite velour lashes in Fluff and Wispies. And I'm just going to give you my final thoughts on all of these new products. So my definite favorite product that I tried was the Tarte Shape Tape. I'll definitely be using this every time I do my makeup. So I was kind of shocked that I wasn't shocked by the Anastasia highlighter, but it grew on me definitely. Like now looking at it in different angles, different lights, I'm like, okay, like obviously whatever I was looking at was not, like the angle I was looking at it was not blinding, and I don't know why. Maybe the light was covered, but like right now in my camera, in my mirror down here, I'm like, wow, like that's poppin'. But I really like this as well. This, like I like everything honestly, but like this kit was really great. So I have dry skin and a lot of these products are mattifying, but I still really like them because some days I just want to be matte. And it's definitely worth it because you get 2 full-size products in here and it's just really great. Last but not least is the BH Cosmetics Gilded Palette, and I really like this. You can see on my eyes, this gold is poppin'. These colors are perfect warm tones for every day. If you want to make a dramatic look, you can do anything you want with this. It's very universal and I just really liked it. Okay guys, if you watched right till the end, you'll see that this is the look I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and tell me what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.